So I think it's time we use 3D models as references. Look at this. So just click download any JLB file format and just click and drag in 3D ref, and then you have your 3D reference over here, and you can start sculpting. Look at how I managed to sculpt this perfectly. This is just a drag and drop. You can just drag any model and it updates very quickly. You can install this on your machine. The link will be in the description. So just using 3D assets as our references, you can turn on off the lighting just to get like some silhouette or whatever, like shadows where you want them. So if your model has textures, it will import all the textures and color, so you can get that from your references. So I don't know what you guys think. Try it out. Check out the link in the description. Download 3D ref on your machine. It's completely responsive, so you can make it smaller or bigger, however you want it on top of your window. And then this is just using 3D models as references to get those sculpts working. And again, I'm Adrian from sanatomy.com. If you guys need this channel, like, share, subscribe. This is where we mainly focus on human and animal anatomy, digital sculpting in ZBrush and Blender. So if you have any further questions, comment down in the section below, and we will be there to assist you guys where we can. Peace out.